So our work is a big old window, and birds seem to fly in it, but I caught one. Look at that. It's like a blue bird. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's like a light blue. Let me come out into the light. Light blue. Look at that. I just made a new friend. There you go. And if you're wondering, this is legit my hand, and the bird is sitting on my hand. That's probably like a 3-inch bird right there. It's a little birdie. A little birdie. Little birdie. I'm gonna call you Bubble for no reason. Just right there.